Hi, this is just a quick video of how to disassemble a Land Rover console. If you buy a new console from a Jaguar dealership or accessories installer, then it will not come with the IMS unit, the microphone or the blanking plug. These were all optional parts when supplying to market because different vehicles had different options. Some would need microphone, some wouldn't. Same with IMS sensors. In some countries, they're not used. Blanking plugs, however, are a normal standard fit across all consoles. So let's get going. I always like to start with the easy part first, and that is the blanking plug. To remove the blanking plug, this is the foam plug. It is just tease it out of the clips, pull. Next, I would remove the microphone. The microphone clip is placed here. Central to the back of the clip, there's a little teaser. If you press on that, it should depress and it should release the clip. And then you can just pull the clip out. And then just pull the wires from the PCB cover. I'll remove this. And then to remove the microphone, there are three clips in here. And just press the top one, then the bottom one, and it should rotate and come out. Finally, IMS sensors. There are two different types of Land Rover console. The early consoles to 2017 had 2 IMS units, and the latter ones had 3 IMS units. That is the only difference, is this unit and the frame itself. As you can see, there are 3 holes, with a central hole on the middle one. Basically, the only difference between these is the red or the central IMS unit. On the 3 IMS, it's a little bit more fiddly. On the 2 IMS, these just basically pull. For the third one, on the 3 IMS, there are 2 clips either side of the central, and you just need to prise those either side to relieve pressure on the IMS housing. And then to remove it, press this unit forwards and it should just lift. Last but not least, to remove this, there is one little tang in the clip which is there. I would suggest if you place a small screwdriver under there, it should give you enough leeway to just pull this out. And there we go, all removed, ready to transfer over to your new console.